Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to delete your Yahoo Fantasy team. So, it is a simple and easy process, but this process can only be carried out using a PC or a laptop, not on the Fantasy app. So, please don't use mobile phone while following these steps. So the first step to do this is simply navigating to any browser on your PC or laptop, then logging into sports.yahoo.com. You can go to the search bar, type in Yahoo Sports, then click on this link that says sports.yahoo.com. Now, after navigating on this page, you'll have to basically sign in using your user credentials. After you do this, you'll be on this page that is Yahoo Sports. Here, you're going to first of all click on the fantasy option or hover your mouse over fantasy. Now simply choose a game. I'm going to choose fantasy hockey. So hover your mouse over fantasy and choose a game that you want to navigate to. After navigating to the game, you will see my team and league option. So this is my teams and leagues, and all the teams you will have will appear in this list. Here, you're going to simply click on this gear icon just after my teams and leagues. After you click on this gear icon, it will take you to my teams and league page. We will have to just scroll down and navigate to the team where you want to do changes. Now, in order to delete your Yahoo Fantasy team, you will see the delete team option. So, simply click on this delete team option just after the team that you want to delete. Also, the team's name will be shown here. The league name will be shown here. So make sure you navigate to the team and click on delete team button. When you click on delete team, you will get a small pop-up saying delete team. Are you sure you want to delete this team? And the team's name will be shown here. Simply click on delete team button and it will instantly delete your Yahoo Fantasy team. As you can see, it says you have successfully deleted your team. So that is the simple way through which you can delete your Yahoo Fantasy team. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.